Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, trip computer, compass, fog lamps. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.